This is my question for everybody who's listening. Who wants to break free from the rat race? Yeah. Okay, so we can help you guys. How do we help them?
Well, you gotta start living on your own terms.
Mhm.
Get plugged into a system which easily helps you earn income from home, working only 2 hours a day.
Yeah, no sales, no rejection, no MLM.
No MLM. It's the easiest system we've ever seen.
And it's
Friends of ours
global.
are doing great. It's global. Yeah, you can work anywhere in the world.
Mhm.
Just laptop. That's all you need. Just anywhere.
Yeah, your phone is good too, just to be able to check in and stuff like that.
Yeah.
So as always, we always have an affirmation or tip for you. So thing one, I'm worthy of a successful and fulfilling life. I am worthy of a successful and really fulfilling life. That's true. And you're not going to get that in a rat race.
That is true. And I effortlessly attract passive income opportunities. That word effortlessly, I keep getting.
Yeah.
Attract passive income opportunities. So
It's
they
like-
flow to me easily.
It's like with ease and grace.
Ease and grace.
Oh man, that's good. And if you're hearing our puppy in the background, she's just musical. We're training her how to play the piano and also how to skateboard. And so she squeaks certain music.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she's playing a tune right now.
Yeah, for you. And that is, I effortlessly am successful. So there's that.
Yes.
You're going to go to wealthyatLast.com, pick up your blueprint, 6 figures in 6 months, and join us as friends, because why not? And followers, we really appreciate that. Bye for now.